In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature to Yahoo email. First, open Yahoo Mail. You will see the familiar layout of your inbox with messages displayed prominently. This is your starting point for configuring your email settings. Opening Yahoo Mail is crucial because it gives you access to all your email functionalities. This ensures you can manage your emails effectively, including adding a personal touch with a signature. Next, look for the settings icon, which looks like a gear. You can also find more options represented by 3 dots. Click on either of these options to access a drop-down menu. This step is important because the settings menu is where all customizations happen. You will notice various settings available for your email, helping you tailor the experience to your needs. From there, click on Writing Email. This option takes you to the area where you can manage how your emails appear when you write them. Clicking on this setting is essential because it leads you directly to the signature feature. A well-crafted signature can make your emails look more professional and personal. Now, turn Signature on. You will see a toggle switch or checkbox to enable this feature. This is a vital step because it activates the signature function, ensuring that your signature will be included automatically in your outgoing emails. You will notice a confirmation that the signature is now active, giving you peace of mind that you are on the right track. After that, click the signature box that appears on the screen. This is where you will input your desired text. You might see a placeholder text here, but don't worry, you'll be replacing that with your own signature. Clicking this box allows you to personalize your emails, which is especially important for professional communication. Next, type your signature into the box. This is the moment to express your identity. You can include your name, title, and any other relevant details. Make sure it reflects your personality or brand. A well-designed signature adds a layer of professionalism to your emails. Optional, format the text. If you want to make your signature stand out, you can change the font style, size, or color. This step is optional, but highly recommended if you want to create an eye-catching signature. Formatting helps to emphasize your signature and can make a lasting impression on the recipient. With that ready, close the settings window. You can usually find a close button at the top right corner. Closing the settings saves your changes automatically, ensuring that your new signature will be applied to future emails. You will see the settings disappear, bringing you back to your inbox. Finally, click Compose to open a new email window. This is where you will test your new signature. When the Compose window opens, you can start writing your message. This step is crucial because it allows you to verify that your signature appears correctly. Lastly, verify your signature appears automatically in the email you just opened. You should see your signature at the bottom of the email draft, just as you intended. This final check reassures you that everything is set up correctly. And that's it. You have successfully added a signature to your Yahoo email, enhancing your communication style. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.